So these are my Copic markers, and whenever I open them, they're just all over the place, and I really can't find the colour that I need. So me and my mum have found this container and some cardboard, and we're going to do a DIY organizer for our Copic markers. Let's see how it turns out. So Mummy has cut the pieces, and now we're going to put it together.
So they're going to just slide with each other like this. So I'm going to slide all of them and see how it goes. So now we have assembled it. So now Aisha and Abu Bakr, I want you guys to put some black lines here on the top so it looks really nice on the top. Okay?
Okay. Wow, it fits perfectly.
So by the way, we use this small saw to cut the slots. And let's see how it goes.
Okay, and the last one.
Wow, they look perfect now. So they're not falling off now or wobbly.
Perfect.
Happy?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah?
So now we've assorted them in colour order as well. So we've got the greens here, the greeny blues, pink and purples, more pink and purples, reds, yellows, skin tones and dark colours. Think there was a good organisation then? I think it's better, so now I can find my colours more easier. Bye!